Vicious hackers and cyber threats are real, and they are scary. While we have passwords for everything, they're not enough to keep our personal or business information secure. In an era where data breaches happen all the time, we need a real solution that will protect us in ways that passwords have not. Introducing ID Alibi, an innovative, password-free authentication system that replaces one-time passwords with a hack-proof, personalized token embedded with your facial biometrics data. This patented technology requires your live face to operate. Just scan the QR code generated on demand, and the ID Alibi system will instantly validate the facial biometrics encoded in the token. Unlike traditional tokens, ID Alibi is not connected to a network, so there is no chance of anyone hacking in. Since each ID Alibi token contains individual facial biometrics, it is rendered useless once lost or stolen. ID Alibi is convenient and safe. Get the peace of mind and absolute security you and your business deserve. Learn more at www.idalibi.com.